This is Carsties. We rank the best cars to guide viewers through some complicated decisions on car shopping. If you are new to the channel, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to find out which cars are number 1 in our rankings of best cars, and in today's video, we're going to show the top 8 best mid-size luxury sedans for 2022. Would you choose the Lexus ES, Genesis G80, BMW 5 Series or the Mercedes-Benz E-Class? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy today's video. Alright, let's jump right in. If you're searching for a well-equipped and comfortable luxury sedan, the Volvo S90 is a strong contender. It's also appealing if you want anything other than the well-regarded BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Starting at $52,245, the cabin of the S90 is luxurious, featuring high-end materials and trim components like wood and aluminum. A vertically oriented 9-inch touchscreen houses Volvo's Sensus infotainment system. It is in charge of the majority of the car's functions, including seats and climate control. A 316 horsepower turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder engine is standard on the Volvo S90. Not only does the S90 have the greatest horsepower rating for a base engine in the class, but it also accelerates quickly in almost all scenarios. Volvo refers to this engine as the T6. Sharp and timely shifts are provided by the standard 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2021 Volvo S90 has a lot of appealing features, including a spacious back seat and a sumptuous interior. Other luxury midsize automobiles, on the other hand, provide more lively handling, larger trunk room, and more pleasant journeys. If you're looking for a luxury midsize car that won't break the bank, the 2022 Jaguar XF is a good option. This British sedan excels at a number of tasks, and its modest price makes it an appealing alternative. Before making a buying decision, you should look at some of the most well-rounded selections in the class. The XF, which starts at $45,300, boasts a quiet, well-built cabin with abundance of soft-touch materials. However, despite its high quality, this Jaguar's cabin falls short of the standards set by more sumptuous competitors. The PIVI infotainment system comes standard on the XF, and it features a wide curved 11.4-inch touchscreen that's easy to read and operate. There are physical knobs for controlling music and climatic functions, as well as steering wheel mounted controls, and wireless smartphone connectivity is standard. The XF is available with a choice of 2 turbocharged 4-cylinder engines, each mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The P250 engine produces 246 horsepower, while the P300 engine produces 296 horsepower. The 2022 Jaguar XF meets many of the criteria customers look for in a luxury midsize vehicle. It isn't the sportiest car in the class, but it is fun to drive and gets good gas mileage. Overall, the XF isn't the all-around all-star that some of its class rivals are, but it does enough to stay competitive in this highly competitive category. The updated Acura TLX for 2021 is an outstanding value in this frequently pricey class, and it's worth a look if you're in the market for a luxury vehicle. At a luxury small car pricing, it delivers luxury midsize vehicle driving dynamics, interior refinement, and exterior proportions. The Acura TLX, which starts at $37,500, has a sporty interior to match its muscular look. The design, particularly the slim center stack and push-button gear selector, is cockpit-like. Premium materials such as soft-touch plastic, cushioned leather, wood, and aluminum cover the majority of the interior surfaces. The True Touchpad interface is standard on the Acura TLX. A 10.2-inch display is situated high on the dashboard and inside the driver's line of sight with this infotainment system. The main audio and climatic settings are handled by a touchpad on the center console as well as a few conventional buttons and knobs. A 272 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a 10-speed automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive are standard on the 2021 Acura TLX. There is an option for all-wheel drive. The TLX impresses with its sleek cabin, compact handling, comfortable ride, and quick engine performance. The TLX, best of all, provides this refinement at a low cost. The TLX fierce competitiveness hasn't changed. While the TLX is better than ever, you may want to consider top-rated competitors such as the Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, Genesis G80, and Lexus ES. The A6 deserves serious consideration in a class with a lot of competitive competition and a lot of attraction. However, it has one of the highest prices in the segment, so you might be better off spending your money elsewhere. The 2022 Audi A6 is all a luxury car should be on the inside. The materials are of the highest quality, ranging from luxurious leather upholstery to real wood inlays and metal embellishments. More cabin elements can be covered in leather on some models. The build quality is outstanding, as everything is well-fitting, and the controls are solid. 3 displays make up the A6's infotainment system. A large 10.1-inch touchscreen that houses most of the menus, controls, smartphone connectivity, and navigation is now standard for 2022. There's an 8.6-inch touchscreen below that for supplementary tasks like climate control. A 261 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is standard on the 2022 Audi A6. It's good for accelerating fast from a standstill, but you could find it lacking in power on the highway while merging or passing swiftly. A turbocharged V6 with 335 horsepower is another option. For the most part, this mill has plenty of power. The A6 comes standard with a 7-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently, maximizing the power of either engine. The Audi A6 for 2022 is a pleasant, capable luxury midsize sedan that excels at most tasks. You should compare it to fierce competition in the class before committing. If you're looking for a luxury midsize automobile, the 2022 Lexus ES is a great option. The ES is a pleasant car to drive, and its starting price of $39,900 makes it a decent deal in this market. The Lexus ES offers a beautiful and elegant cabin that effectively muffles road and wind noise, resulting in a quiet and enjoyable ride. The majority of the cabin materials have a high-end appearance and feel. The Lexus ES's major flaw is its remote touch infotainment system, which is available in variants with an 8-inch touchscreen as standard or a 12.3-inch display as an option. Although these screens are high on the dashboard, they are controlled by a touchpad in the center console. The Lexus ES is available in 2 powertrain options for 2022, ES250 and ES350. The ES250 is equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 203 horsepower, an 8-speed automated transmission, and all-wheel drive. This configuration produces mediocre results. If you don't need all-wheel drive, the ES350 is a good choice. This variant comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 302 horsepower, an 8-speed automated transmission, and front-wheel drive. In everyday driving, it feels a lot more nimble. If you don't need all-wheel drive, the ES350 is a good choice. This variant comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 302 horsepower, an 8-speed automated transmission, and front-wheel drive. In everyday driving, it feels a lot more nimble. The G80 is a product that is well worth your consideration. This Genesis is a good deal when compared to its BMW, Audi, and Mercedes competitors, giving polished luxury and plenty of equipment at a relatively affordable price. The G80 is difficult to top if you're seeking for a terrific overall package in an upscale sedan. Starting at $48,000, the Genesis G80 is at home among other top-tier luxury midsize sedans in 2022. It has a high construction quality that isolates the cabin from road and wind noise, and soft-touch materials are used throughout. A 14.5-inch touchscreen situated prominently atop the dashboard serves as the focus of the G80's infotainment system. The images are stunning, and the underlying software responds rapidly to your requests. A 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque is standard on the 2022 Genesis G80. It helps you accelerate away from a halt with authority, and the power keeps piling up as you reach higher speeds. A smooth 8-speed automatic transmission performs admirably in the background as part of that prowess. The 2022 Genesis G80 is one of the few luxury midsize cars that successfully combines elegance, value, and performance. Whatever your priorities are, the G80 should be a good fit. If you're looking for a luxury midsize sedan with performance chops, the BMW 5 Series is a wonderful choice, but at $54,000 and above, it's not exactly a bargain. The inside of the 2022 BMW 5 Series, which starts at $54,200, is quite conservative. From the many soft cushioned surfaces to the crisp metal accents, the overall style is sleek and beautiful, and the level of fit and finish is excellent. BMW's iDrive infotainment system, which includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel, is standard on the 5 Series. These displays are well designed and respond quickly to user input. A knob and touchpad on the center console, a few buttons on the dashboard, and a speech recognition system can all be used to control the touchscreen. BMW provides a variety of turbocharged engine options for the 2022 5 Series, and there isn't a terrible choice among them. The 530i's base engine is a 248 horsepower four-cylinder that feels nimble and eager, easily zipping the 5 Series about town and up to highway speeds. It takes 6 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The 530e, which is a plug-in hybrid version of the engine with 288 horsepower, has a similar story. The BMW 5 Series in 2022 delivers the best of both worlds. Because to its punchy engine lineup and active handling, the 5 Series is an energetic and thrilling car to drive, but it's also a relaxing and comfy cruiser when you just want to unwind after a long day. With a spacious and upmarket cabin, smart tech features, and excellent fuel efficiency, it's easy to see why the 5 Series is the luxury midsize sedan class's leader. If you can afford it, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is one of the best automobiles in the class, and you should have a look at it. That final point is crucial, because the Mercedes' major flaw is its pricing, which is significantly higher than many competitors at both ends of the trim spectrum. However, this is a fantastic car, and many buyers would argue that it is well worth the money. The inside of a Mercedes-Benz meets certain expectations, and the E-Class does not disappoint. It has a lot of high-tech features and plush materials, such as gorgeous wood and leather trim. The E-Class's infotainment system can be accessed through a variety of methods, including the touchscreen, touchpad controller, voice commands, and physical controls. In general, the MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, system is simple to operate. The E-Class is available with 4 engine options, all of which are excellent. The E350 comes with a 255 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's ideal for daily driving. Even so, it lacks the responsiveness and power of the other engines in the series. The turbocharged 6-cylinder engines in the E450, 362 horsepower, and AMG E53, 429 horsepower, offer more powerful acceleration and have plenty of power to spare on the motorway. Finally, there's the AMG E63's brawny 603 horsepower twin-turbo V8, which propels this Mercedes to speeds that few sports cars can equal. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is one of the best luxury midsize sedans on the road, as evidenced by its excellent class ranking. There's something for everyone here, with 4 body styles, many energetic powertrain options, great interior quality, comfortable seats, and a soft ride. The E-Class is more expensive than many of its peers, and it isn't as athletic as other competitors, but if you have room in your budget for it, it's a decision you won't regret.